Yeah, children, in heredity and evolution, last topic I am going to discuss, children. I am going to discuss some cases of beetles, children. Some cases of beetles. Children, in our textbook, 10th class textbook, they have given some examples, case, the cases I want to discuss. Slowly, I will say, try to listen. First case, there are green beetles, there are red beetles. Imagine red beetles and green beetles. Of course, children, both of them will eat leaves only. Both of them will eat leaves only. Green beetle also will sit on the leaves, red beetle also will sit on the leaves. Their common predator is crow. Crow always try to eat the beetles. When crow wants to eat a beetle, which beetle it can see clearly, green or red?
Red.
Red.
Red it can see clearly because green will become camouflage and green color on green crow can't see children but red it can see. So red beetles it will eat. When red beetles it will eat, red beetles population keeps on decreasing. When red beetles population keeps on decreasing, green population of course it increases children because crow is not able to see them properly. Red beetles population keeps on decreasing. This is a case which shows that color variation is there, color variation is there, gives survival advantage, survival advantage. Also we can say if you want by natural selection, by natural selection also you can say these three words should be there compulsory. I want, again I am saying, green beetle sitting on the green leaves crow can't see, red beetle sitting on the green leaves, crow can nicely see. So crow will eat red beetles, and due to this color variations, they will get survival advantage. Who will get survival advantage, children? Who will get green beetles will get survival advantage, and therefore they are protected by natural selection. You can say natural selection, children, but color is variation is giving them survival advantage. This is first case. Don't forget this case at all. This is your first case, children. Over. Second case, children. In second case, please children, everybody should listen, very very important. In second case, green beetles are there, same, red beetles are there. One angry elephant has come and running. It literally did stampede on all green and red beetles and bushes. It was stamping and going. When it is running, when elephant is running, will it will see green beetles, red beetles, anything it will see children? Will it see when it is running?
No.
No.
No, it will randomly run away like that. It won't see beetles only, it can't even see also. Randomly it will run. In this random running, who will die more, green or red?
Anybody can die.
Anybody
Chances.
can die. Anybody can die. Very good. Both will die, children. Because I have color advantage. You can't stampede like that. It can't say to elephant. Elephant don't anything. It is running on the bushes, and whichever comes under its leg will be crushed. And whether it is green or red, all will die. Only few will survive. It can be anything. It may green or red. Only few will survive, which are very very lucky. This type of survival is called purely
Natural selection.
Natural
natural
selection.
selection. Natural selection, children. Natural selection. No one can say who is living, children. I told you now, you may should be either strong or you should be either intelligent or you should be lucky to survive. That is natural selection. Artificially you select this, compulsory you will select best one only. This is natural selection period, children. That also can lead to continuous variation and can lead to speciation. This is second case. First case I'll explain survival advantage because of variations. Second case purely natural selection. Third case, children. Third case. Children, third case. Now green beetles, because crow is not able to see, increasing rapidly. When they are increasing rapidly, they will eat off all the leaves in that area. When all the leaves are over, no food for beetles. So beetles average weight of all the beetles, overall weight will decrease for a period of time. Again, with the rise of the spring season, all the new leaves will come, new vegetation will come, and again plants will grow. Again, beetles will start. Again, their overall weight will increase. When food is not there, their weight is decreasing. When food is there, the weight is increasing. When food is not there, their weight is decreasing. When food is there, their weight is increasing. This is called as, children, what is this called?
Acquired traits.
Acquired trait. What are acquired traits? The characters which you get in the course of lifetime. The characters which you get in the course of lifetime, they will not be transferred to your next generation. This is the only character. If you are thin or if you are fat, it will not affect your children. This is acquired trait, children. Okay, beetles, because no food, weight decreased. When they got food, again weight increased. This is an acquired trait, children. Only it is occurring in the course of lifetime, whether it is inherited. And the last case, children, I want to give you the last case, one more case, children. Last case, try to understand, children. Fourth case. Fourth case, children. Green beetles are there, red beetles are there. Some population of red beetles came into green population and they started sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction compulsory leads to variation. Accidentally, one blue beetle has come. One blue beetle has come. One blue beetle has come, children. What is this called? What is this called? One blue beetle has come. A new character has come. What is this called?
Hybrid.
Gene pool transfer by genetic drift. Genetic drift, children, genetic drift is a huge topic, children, you study in higher classes. Gene pool, the genes are transferred from one generation to another generation. Genetic drift has occurred. Sudden change in the genes occurred and a new variation has occurred. That is called gene pool transfer by genetic drift. Gene pool transfer by genetic drift. What is genetic drift means? Due to decrease in one of the population, suddenly a new character will come. That is called genetic drift because of isolation. Because of isolation. So four things I told. First one I know you all understood very well because green is camouflaging. Because green is camouflaging, that's why it can't see. Of course, it is survived. In second case, also elephant did not know anything. It sampled everything, and few lucky one have survived. That's natural selection. And third one, in the green one, the green one when they are eating leaves, their overall the plants decrease, their weight decrease. Again, when plants get weight increase, this also acquired traits you understand. Only here you will not understand. A new character has come because of gene pool. Genes present in our body got transferred, and genetic drift, a new gene, a new variation has occurred, which created a blue beetle. This is occurring because of sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, male and female gametes, when they fertilize, because of DNA copying, variations will occur. I told millions of times, variation will occur. That variation can create a new character. The variation can create a new character. This four cases you have to understand, children. I will update this video by evening, children. By 9 o'clock, I will update with the notes, with the clarity. If you have any doubt, you can see the description also notes. You will understand, children. Don't get confused. Very very important. Don't get confused. Okay, children. This is only here you will get confusion. Okay, children. Anyone have any doubt? You can ask me.